What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw Garfield. Let's begin in the center of our page and draw on the nose. We're going to start with an oval, starting from the very top, go all the way around, and then back up towards the top. From the center of the nose at the very top, we're going to draw a straight line going up to separate the eyes. Now I want to round up the left side. We're going to go up, come down the side, come all the way around, come down towards the side of the nose, and then pull that in. Now I want to do the same thing on the right, starting from the top, round up the eye, going up towards the same height, come around the side, and then bend that in. Let's add a fold across the eyelid, starting over on the left, bend this down in the center, across, and then up. Now on the inside, we're going to draw two small half circles in the pupils, and we'll fill those in black. Now we're going to go all the way out towards the side of the eye. We're going to draw the cheeks. We're going to start with the left, going all the way around, and then bend that in. Let's line that up on the right, going all the way around, and then in. Now we'll add 3 dots along the outside. Now you want to fold the mouth underneath the cheeks. We're going to start on the left, we're going to step out, come all the way around, come down towards the bottom, and just pull that up in the center of the nose. Come down towards the right, go around, and then tuck that in. Now we're going to go back to the center of the eyes and draw in the ears. Let's start with the left side. We're going to go up, round out the ear, come down and in towards the eye, go back to the center, and do the same thing on the right, going all the way around, and then we'll bend that in. From the top of the ears, we're going to add a fold, coming in and then down in the center, go up and then back out. Now just underneath the mouth, we're going to add a curve for the chin. We'll start on the left, coming down the middle, and then bend that up. Let's go underneath the cheeks and draw the jaw. We're going to go out, come around, and just tuck that in underneath the chin. Let's do the same thing on the right, coming down, go around, and then in. Now I want to continue this curve up above the cheek, going up and in behind the ears on both sides. Let's add those points across the tip of the ears. We're going to start from the bottom, we're going to go straight up. Let's add a point coming in towards the eye and back up. We'll just add a few more going up towards the top of the ear. Now let's mirror that over on the right. I'm just going to line this up, coming down and in. Again, just aiming towards the eyes, then towards the side of the ear, and then we'll fill those tips in black. Along the base of the ears, we're going to add those whiskers. Let's start with the top one. We're going to go up and then out on both sides. Let's round at the end and just taper that back in. Just fill the inside in black. Now I want to add 2 more along the bottom. Let's start back on the left, going up and then down. Round this out and pull that in. Let's add 1 more. Going around the cheek, and then we'll fill the insides in black. Now I want to add those stripes across the side of the head. Let's start in between the cheek and the ear. We're going to draw 2 lines. One on the top, and a short one on the inside. Let's add 1 underneath the cheek, just curving around. Add a shorter one on the inside. I'm going to add 2 more sets across each cheek. Now we're going to move down and draw the arms crossed in front of the body. Let's start right in the middle with a point. Now from here it's going to bend the arm coming down and out towards the left elbow, go back to the center, come down and out towards the right elbow. Let's work our way along the outside of the arm, going out and then up. Now I want to continue this curve from the center going up towards the left wrist. Come down, draw a straight angle line coming down towards the elbow. Now let's round out the paw. We're going to go up towards the top, go across the middle, and then down. Now the right arm is going to come up on top of the left arm. So right here, it's going to round out the paw, going up and just tucking that in. Let's add 2 more in behind. Round it up, and then 1 more along the top. Now just underneath the cheeks, we're going to round up the top of the body, going around and then in. Let's go back to the left side, we're going to round the belly, come down and in toward the middle, go up on the right side, and just pull that back in. Let's add a fold along the bottom of the arm. We're going to step in, come down and out. Now I want to add some more stripes along the side of the body. Let's start underneath the arm, start with 1 curve, step in, draw 2 shorter ones coming in, and I'll mirror that over on the right side. Let's add another set. Now I'm going to tuck the legs in underneath the body, leaving a gap in the center, go left side, draw a straight angle line, coming down and in, to right about there, go over towards the right, and then do the same thing. Now on the left side, we're just going to round out the heel, just going to overlap the right leg, going around, go across the bottom, and then up. Let's add that first toe, going all the way around like a circle, and then bending that in. Let's layer a second one, going all the way around, and then in. Now the last toe, we're going to go all the way around across the top of the foot and just pull that down towards the ankle. Now we want to take that same foot and flip it over on the right side going in behind. So we're going to start with the heel going in behind, go to the bottom, go across the bottom of the foot towards the first toe. Let's draw that first toe. Go all the way around and then in. There's a second one in behind. Let's draw on that last toe, going around toward the top of the foot, and then pull that down towards the ankle. Let's add a fold across the bottom, going up and in. Now we're just going to go to the outside, draw a straight line going up underneath the body. Now I want to add that tail coming out from the left side. Let's start underneath the body, start by bending this down and out just on top of the foot, step up and add a fold. Let's work our way around the tip of the tail, going out, round this out, and then back in towards the foot. Now just like we did with the ears, we're going to add those spikes across the end of the tail. So we're going to go out and just work our way down towards the bottom, and we'll fill that in black. Let's add those stripes across the top of the tail. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Garfield. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.